Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Been a while since I've put something out, but been busy with the family stuff and kids and things and holidays and all that. But I thought I'd let you know now about this my new bit of kit that I bought here. This is the Diana Skyhawk. It's chambered in 2.2 sub 12 foot-pounds. As I titled the video, cheap rifle, expensive scope. By my normal buy-in standards, this rifle is cheap. It's not cheap for everybody, so I don't want to look like a twat for saying it, but basically this rifle was 675, including a Hawk fast mount. Normally I'm spending £2 on an air rifle, just because I like my FXs and my day states, but this gun here, it has really changed my opinion on a lot of cheaper rifles. It's PCP, it's got a 9-shot magazine. I'm not 100% what the shot count is at the moment. I'll put it down I'll put it on a little header there once I find out. I've had the rifle 3 weeks and it's absolutely brilliant. I can't find fault with it. I have toyed with the idea of maybe putting a sound moderator on the front here. You have to buy a special adapter, unscrew this muzzle cap here, and then put the adapter on, and then put your silencer on. But to be honest, as you can see there, it's such a short little bullpup. Using it in here, I'm not bashing it about no more like I would with the other rifles, but I'm probably going to keep it as is. It's shrouded here, and that keeps it pretty quiet anyway, so I don't think I really want to bother, but that's just what I want to do. I've instead of drilling the stock, I purchased this 3-way picatinny adapter from Jake Bowman. He's on eBay. If you know, you know. This chap's been making these parts and stuff for quite some time now, and he's known all through YouTube, and he actually just lives down the road from me, and I didn't know that. So he's been very helpful, so thank you, Jake. I'll be sure to make sure I buy some more parts. I was a 3D printing snob, really, until I actually saw some of his gear here. It's really well made. I don't know, that's the limit of what 3D printing is. I don't really know much about it, but I used to always prefer to use you know, the parts that come like Saber Tac or whatever. Speaking of which, I've got a Saber Tactical Arca Swiss adapter here fitted to Jake's pick rail here, and my old BR4 Accutact bipod, sticking that one up front. Moving back, wooden stock. It's got checkered pistol grip, so you got quite a lot of grip, and also up here. I would normally go for a plastic stock because I'm clumsy, but the fact is this gun is so small and maneuverable. I'm not banging it into things like I would with a bigger rifle, so I'm happy with that. Moving back here, you've got the adjustable butt pad here. Effectively, this rifle here is the P15, the Artemis P15, but for the fact that I'm a bit late to the party, I never really knew any of these rifles really. I was looking for a cheap PCP. I actually went in the gun shop looking for a Viroc HW97K Springer, and when I saw this, I thought, you know what, I've got all the filling gear and everything, so I just well get myself another little sub 12. So I'm very happy with that. I've topped it with the SQ50 2.0 from Hikmicro. Speaking of which, there's a firmware update at the moment that everybody's been going on about. I've not updated this yet because I've been hearing good and bad things. So once Hikmicro sort these things out, then I'll update. But until then, I won't be touching it. So that's the rifle. I'm going to be doing a bit of rat shooting. I've got some content I've been putting over the last filming over the last couple of nights. Just so a friend of mine's got a really bad rat problem here. In total, I think I've had about 50 rats in the last 2 days, and for me, that's a lot. I don't really do a huge amount of rat shooting, but they seem to come in waves here. For some reason, they prefer the summer to the winter. But anyway, going to move on now. Show you some content with using the Skyhawk in action here, and go from there. Okay, so that was a little bit of content I did there with using the Diana Skyhawk slash P15, whatever you want to call it. I just got a couple of things I missed at the beginning there to go through with the features of the gun. You've got this wonderful little dust cap here that you use to fill the rifle cylinder with. That's where you put your probe to, but again, it snaps back, spring loaded. You fill to 250 bar, and I'm getting about 60 shots, which is more than enough for what I use it for. Moving back here, the trigger on this is really, really good. I've used a lot of air rifles over the years, and for an air rifle this price, that trigger, it's fully adjustable as well, but I've kept it factory setting. It just works really great. Good crisp let off there, no problems with that. And lastly, this is my only fault I'm finding with this air rifle is it's all very mechanical and cold. And I'm finding that when I'm setting myself up for a shot here, my beard or my whiskers is catching on this lot here, you see, so it's a little bit annoying with that. Jake Bowman does make a cheek piece adapter here that will fit over that, which will solve that problem, so I'll probably be going back to him to do it. Just maybe another thing here that I would like to see on maybe this sort of air rifle, but it's not a given that it needs to be, but maybe change this for a pick rail. But to be honest, it's sub 12. I know they're available in FAC high power, but it's sub 12, and that rail is good enough for me. I don't have to worry about any MOA or anything like that. This is just does what I need it to do. So great. That's the end of this review here. I've got still got to do a review of the Hikmicro Alpex 4K, the new one. I've had that for quite some time. I did mount it onto this gun here, but from a nighttime perspective, because I've got that SQ50 sitting there, I just thought I'm going to put it on. So there you go. So thanks for taking your time and watching. Please like and subscribe.